Is finding the right hotel really difficult? Or is it just about knowing what's nearby? Before we talk about room rates, amenities, or reviews, we need to talk about location. In today's video, I'll show you how to map hotel chain properties and nearby attractions with the help of story.mapog.com. Open the MAPOG link which is given in the description. Click Create New Map at the top right of the homepage. Add a title for your map and a short description about it and the map type to category. Go to the Add Story, click Add by uploading CSV/Excel, and then select the desired CSV file. In the title, select Hotel Name. In Select Field Type, select your latitude in first column and select longitude in second column, then give Submit. Go to Edit Point Details, then give a short description and suitable image for it. Using the Select Feature Type Settings option, add location types such as Hotel Attributes, and add different relatable attributes to it, and later fill all the information there. Using the Select Category option, add categories such as North India, South India, East India, and West India. Then, assign the appropriate category based on the location. Label hotel locations and customize icons with symbols using point customization. Follow the same procedure for other points. Go to the Preview and Share option. You can keep it private or change the map type to Public. We hope this video gives you a clear understanding of hotel chain properties and nearby attractions with MAPOG. To explore more smart mapping techniques and GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. And if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us at support@mapog.com.